An awareness program was held in Dimapur to mark the World Day Against Child Labour at the Deputy Commissioner's office. The event was organized by the Labour Department in collaboration with the District Task Force Dimapur. The program was chaired by Mohammad Nayadan, chairperson of the Child Welfare Committee, who set the tone for the day's discussions. Speaking on the issue, Advocate Kumchuba from the Dimapur District Legal Services Authority, DDLSA, emphasized that although India aims to eliminate child labor by 2025, Nagaland is only now waking up to the problem. He described it as a collective societal failure and not a lapse by the administration alone, urging grassroots stakeholders like Ganbara's chairperson, civil society organizations and NGOs to act as bridges between the public and the government. He also stressed the power of social media in spreading awareness. It's never too late to act, he said. Additional Deputy Commissioner Zakabo V. Rotaka acknowledged that while child labor might be less visible in Nagaland compared to other states, it must not be ignored. He called for concrete actionable steps and said the issue must be addressed not just legally or socially but also through the moral lens of Christian values. Deputy Labour Commissioner Visa Konondang highlighted that child labor often continues due to lack of awareness. She urged community leaders to go door to door, educating families about the legal implications of denying children their right to education. This is not just morally wrong, it is punishable by law, she warned. The program also included a presentation on child rights by Aranla C. Pom from DCPU Dimapur and an informative session on the Child Helpline 1098 delivered by Councillor Vanutu Kapu. The event ended with a unified call for collective on-ground action to fully eradicate child labor from Nagaland, with officials and community leaders committing to take the message forward.